Ever stared at a PowerPoint slide overloaded with text, wishing you could point out the key points? Well, there's a way to do that. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how to highlight text in PowerPoint. To highlight text in PowerPoint, just select the text and then in the Home tab, click on the arrow beside the highlight icon. Then you can choose the color of your choice. We'll choose green, and as you can see, the text has been highlighted with the color of your choice. If you want to highlight more text in the slide, just follow the same steps. Select the text and then click on the highlight icon. And as you can see, the text has been highlighted with the same color you have chosen before. If you use the PowerPoint desktop app, then the interface is a little bit different, but you will find the highlighter in the Home tab only. But there is a thing that is different from the PowerPoint web, is that you don't have to select the highlight icon again and again to highlight the non-continuous text. You just have to select the color for the highlighter, and after that just select the text and it will be highlighted. So it will be very helpful if you are using the PowerPoint desktop app, and that's how you highlight in PowerPoint. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.